Welcome. In this lesson, we're going to take graphs or tables and we're going to calculate the mean, median, mode, and range. So take a moment and pause this and write down these four definitions. The mean is the average of the numbers, which you sum up all the numbers and then divide by how many numbers there are. The median is the middle number, or it's the average of the two middle numbers if there isn't a single middle number, because if there's an even amount of numbers, then there ends up being two middle numbers and not a single one. You take the average of those two middle numbers if there isn't a single middle number. But anyway, it's the middle number, the average of the two middle numbers, but very important when the numbers are in order from smallest to largest. The mode is the number that has the most repetition or repeats the most often. And the range is the largest number minus the smallest number. The largest minus the smallest. Again, write these down so you have them in your notes. What is the range of the numbers? I find the largest number, which is 9. I find the smallest number, which is 1. 9 minus 1 is 8. The range of these numbers is 8. Here, if I want to find the mean, I'm going to add them all up. So I just have a calculator here handy in my hand. I'm going to go 7 plus 3 plus 5 plus 5 plus 10. That gives me a total of 30, but now I divide by how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I take 30, which was the sum of all these put together, and I divide by 5 because there was 5 numbers, and that gives me 6. And I type in 6. That's the mean. Here, it asks for the range again. So I'm going to find the largest. Largest is 10. There happens to be 2 that are 10. That's fine. I'm looking over here on where the only place where they give you numbers. Largest is 10. Smallest is 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. Here again, they're asking for mean. So I grab my calculator really quickly. 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus 2 plus 6. So the total, I added all those up, got 25. There happens to be 5 numbers. I divide by 5, and I find my mean is 5. The median, okay, the median. I have, the numbers have to be written from least to greatest. Now be very careful. It'd be easy to misinterpret this graph because the smallest number, the Children Art Club meeting, keep track of how many they made, okay? What is the median number? So are these the numbers or are these the numbers? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in other words, we have 0 appearing 4 times. We have 2 appearing once. We have 2 appearing once. Or sorry, we have 1 appearing twice, 2 appearing once. And then we have 3 appearing 4 times. 3, 3, 3, 3, actually 5 times. I can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow. So I have 5 zeros, 2 ones, a 2. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 threes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have a 4 and I have a 5. It wants the median is the middle number. So there was a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 numbers. That means I need 4, 7 below, 7 above, 3, 6, 7. That is my median, or my middle number is 2. So I had to write those out to make sure that made sense to me. So these are the numbers, but I had to write out their frequency and then find out the middle number. Here it's asking for the median again. The median is the middle number. So we got to write the smallest to the largest. We have a 2. That's this one here. We have, it looks like 1, 2, 3 threes. So I have a 3, and a 3. I have a 5. I have a 6, and I have a 9. Now the median again is the middle number. So I'm going to 3 above, 3 below, middle number is 3. Hopefully they're going to do a mode here in a minute. Median number, smallest, well, 6, 6, 6, 7, 8. So I have 2 6s below, 7, 8 above, the median is 6. If you need to read, oh wow, didn't I type in 6? Oh, I typed in 5. Wow, I hit the wrong button. I said 6, but I typed in 5. All right, I'm going to jump ahead because I'm looking for a mode. I want a mode. Make sure we can do a mode problem. It's not giving us mode. They're not going to give us mode. If it asks for mode, though, remember, that's the number that appears most often. So there would have to be a repetition. Yeah, like if this one, if they asked for mode, I would notice that 950 is done twice, 42 is only done once, 51 is only done once, 46 is done once, and 948 is only done once. So if it asks for the mode is the number that appears the most often. I would put 950. But this is asking for range, so I do the largest, which looks like the largest is 951. I minus off the smallest, which looks like is 942. 951 minus 942 would be a total of 8. If you have any questions on any of these, please bring them to class and let me know. Apparently I can't. Minus 952 minus 8, that's 9, not 8. You get the gist though. Bring your questions to class and I will help you.